Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Alcantara case for the Galaxy Note 8. And sorry, it's raining out, so it got a little wet on the way in from the mailbox. So here we go. Official Alcantara cover for the Galaxy Note 8. Straight from Amazon. This is a Samsung branded case though. So I picked this up for $26 for the black on Amazon. It's like $50 at Best Buy. So I'll go ahead and link you to Amazon where you can pick one of these up if you would like to try it. And like I said, it's an Alcantara case, so it is really soft and like fuzzy almost. It actually feels really, really nice. Let me grab my phone and we'll go ahead and throw it in. Let's see. It's a nice fitting case. Very, very soft in the hand. You still have your edge screen right there, so you can still use your edge screen for your different apps and stuff like that. They do come in a black, a dark gray, a green, and a pink. Just kind of like a bubblegum pink. So that is pretty nice. For $26, you can't really beat it. Got a microphone cut out on the top there. Your bottom is fully open for your S Pen, your charger, your headphone jack. You have your volume buttons, your Bixby button, and your power button over here. So overall, nice case. A little bit of Samsung branding right there, but nothing big. Definitely something that feels nice in the hand. I have heard that these do wear over time, you know, pulling it in and out of your pocket and stuff like that, but that is totally expected, obviously. So I don't really consider that a downside. If you're picking one of these up for $24, $25, having it last, you know, 6 months, you know, that's good for me. But it's supposed to be really durable material, so it's supposed to hold up pretty good over time. I heard they don't stain too bad. They're pretty easy to clean off. Alcantara, you know, is known for that, being able to keep it clean and that kind of stuff. I know there's a couple different laptops that use this for the wrist rest and stuff like that, just because it's such a durable material. But the biggest complaint is it wearing over on the corners from putting it in your pocket and stuff like that, and starting to show the plastic that's underneath. But that is the Samsung Alcantara cover for the Galaxy Note 8. This is Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.